Welcome back everybody for another video by your boy Crypto Holger. Let's get this crypto. I'm gonna try to make this video very short as I gotta run in a couple of minutes. So yeah, let's just dive right into it. You already know we're here on Carol Protocol. If you don't know how Carol Protocol works, you can check out my other video where I go into much more detail about how to bridge over to the base chain and bond some Carol tokens and stake them. I'll link the video up in the right hand corner right now. Anyway, so what I wanted to go over in this video is the price dynamic, the TVL growth and the mass adoption of this project. Right now it's one of my staple passive income earners in my portfolio. You know, when I made my first video, the TVL was only at 28,000 and now it has exploded up to over 100,000 in TVL and it's just growing by the day. Let's get this crypto. So yeah, I did hint at the potential, and for those who took the plunge into Carol Protocol, congratulations. You should be sitting at a very easy position right now. So with Carol Protocol there are many types of ways how to play this. You can rebond, you can sell and you can claim. If you claim, you can hold your tokens and hope that it goes up in value, or you can sell them directly or rebond like I said. So my strategy, like I said, there are many kinds of strategy. I haven't rebonded anything yet. Now why is that? Well, my bond is for 30 days, so when this hits 30 days I will get all of my investments back, and what I will do then is just rebond it and restake, because I still believe that we are in the early stages of this project. You know, when capital starts to flow into crypto again, aka the bull market that everyone is talking about. I have no idea when the next bull market will come, but we know that Bitcoin and Ethereum moves in these cycles, you know. And you know, right now I'm leaning a little bit more towards accumulating Ethereum. I got a theory that Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin. Maybe not this year, maybe not next year, but in the future I believe that it will do so. So hey, that's why I'm in Carol, because this lets me accumulate Ethereum on a daily basis, which I then can either sell or I can send to my Ledger wallet and hold it until the price, you know, goes up, of course. Right now we're here on DEX screener, and as you can see we had this little pump up here, we went down and all of a sudden skyrocketed all the way up to 18 cents. Now this is my buying area, the Fib 0.618. You know, if you're a trader you should be pretty familiar with this Fibonacci tool. If not, I can show you how I use it. But yeah, I was thinking about accumulating some more Carol tokens when it hits this range, which it did on October 5th. Unfortunately, I totally missed it as it all of a sudden skyrocketed back up, but it's looking like we had a big sale right now as I'm recording this video. So as soon as I get done recording I will be picking up some more Carol tokens for sure. If you want to know how to use the Fibonacci retracement, super simple. I'll show you how it's done. You just delete this. Let me delete it first. Can I delete it like that? Okay. So you take from the bottom of the movement, drag it all the way to the top, and pretty much you can see it lines up perfectly with the retracement. So this is a tool that many traders use for new tokens to figure out, you know, a retracement level, when to buy in, so on and so forth. Very powerful. I use it all the time. It has made me a lot of money, so I would definitely recommend you use this tool if you are looking to buy in at a retracement. Now you can also use it in the opposite direction, so you can drag it from the top down to the bottom of the movement, and let's say we get a bounce. This could be a take profit area right here. Also, let me show another example of how powerful the Fibonacci retracement tool is. If we take, for example, right here at the start up to right here when it pumped, you can see this is where you should have been accumulating, because yeah, like you can see right here, you got this massive pump, and if this is anything to go by, hey, not financial advice or anything like that, but if we get a pump again, I'm looking at new all-time highs for sure, and this is my accumulation area. Anyway, I hope this video wasn't too long. I just wanted to pump out some content for Carol. I got a lot of content that I'm gonna be pumping out this week and next week, because I have been super busy with work, so I haven't had time to, create content. It takes a lot of time to edit these videos. But yeah, I wish you have a great start to your week. It's Monday, Money Monday. Let's make some gains. And like always, none of this has been financial advice. You should always do your own research and never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Please like, comment, subscribe, and check out my Telegram group. I'm posting there consistently, or at least I'm trying to, all my trades, all my projects that I'm jumping into. You get all that info there first, so make sure join my Telegram group. But most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.